Everybody's looking for the next big thing, and 3D art and Blender 4.2 LTS delivers. This release comes packed with new features that will blow your artistic mind. First up, say hello to the revamped user interface. It's smoother, faster, and more intuitive than ever. No more digging through endless menus. Next, the new Cycles X rendering engine is a game changer. Expect faster render times and jaw-dropping realism. Your projects will pop like never before. And don't miss the enhanced sculpting tools that make detailing a breeze. Sculpt like a master, even if you're just starting out. But wait, there's more. The asset browser is now more powerful and user-friendly. Organize and access your assets with zero hassle. Plus, with better performance and stability, you can say goodbye to crashes and hello to uninterrupted creativity. So, whether you're a Blender newbie or a seasoned pro, Blender 4.2 LTS is your ticket to the next level of 3D artistry. Dive in and unleash your imagination. Thanks for watching and happy blending.